Mr. Chair, I have here the agreement, lease agreement between Whirlwind Company, the lessor, and the lessee, in this case, Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. This was signed, and the fictivity of the term of the lease commenced on November 5, 2019 up to November 4, 2022. Now, the representative of Whirlwind Company, meaning the lessor, was, I don't know if she's still connected with the Whirlwind Company, Miss Stephanie B. Mascareñas. And the lessee, in this case, Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, is Miss Catherine Cassandra L. Ong. So this is the same person in individual na nandoon po sa meeting nung nangyari po yung pag-uusap na yon with PAGCOR Chairman Altenco. Now, what is peculiar, Mr. Chair, is prior to the expiration, the term of the lease, which is November 4, 2022, and this is the first, there was a subsequent lease that took place. No? Same two parties, Whirlwind Corporation and Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, and the lease agreement, the term of the lease, would commence on January 1, 2021 up to January 1, 2024. So ibig sabihin po, Mr. Chair, nag-overlap, hindi pa po sila nag-expire ang term, nag-lease ulit sila. Ganun po sila ka-confident sa bawat isa. Yung trust and confidence is too high that even prior to the expiration of the lease, they already signed a subsequent lease agreement again. What is so peculiar and so maybe perhaps that attracts this committee's attention is that Miss Catherine Cassandra L. Ong, who represented Lucky South 99 in the first lease agreement contract, is now representing Whirlwind Corporation. And the one that signed this contract represented Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated is now, this time, Miss Ronilyn Baterna. So makikita niyo po, kaya po kami nako-confuse that these are two entities, corporations, and yet the person running these companies are one and the same. So andito po, Mr. Chair, nung unang lease, Cassandra Ong, sa lessor, Whirlwind Company, Stephanie Mascareñas, Whirlwind Company, sa lessor siya, Catherine Cassandra Ong, leasee, Lucky South 99, tapos sa pangalawang kontrata, nagpalit. Si Miss Sandra Ong naman ngayon, ang lessor. At ang leasee is Miss Ronilyn Baterna, Mr. Chair. And also, it is quite, parang nakaka-striking din yung isa sa mga, sa dokumentong ito, that this was signed by the same lawyer, Attorney Maria Gracia Dioco. Same po. Same ang nag-notarize po ng dokumentong ito. So, ibig sabihin, sa mga ating mga nanonood po, klaro na po, na tama, dalawang company ito, dalawang kumpanya, pero run by the same person. I'd like to ask Secretary Roque, did you do your due diligence in finding out that Miss Cassandra Ong used to be, or in this case, siya ang magiging lessor ng Whirlwind Company at hindi ng Lucky South, which you claim trying to distance yourself from that company na palang allergic kayo sa Lucky South 99. Did you do your diligence? And I think, Mr. Chair, no, with all your services to this nation, Secretary Roque, paniwala po ako na isa ho kayo sa magaling na abogado. At hanggang ngayon po, mataas po respeto ko ho sa inyo. Pero basic lang po, no? Rudimentary. I think this is being taught in law school. You have to do your due diligence before accepting any client. Have you at least asked Miss Cassandra Ong, were you in any way connected with Whirlwind Company or Lucky Strike 99? Hindi niyo ho yun tinanong.